Hi, I'm Jeremy with Motor Sportsland, and today we're looking at the Winnebago 18 FBS, brand new design and floor plan. I love the brand new look that they have with the white awning, LED light strip, aluminum wheels. You got your pass-through up here in the front, pretty big pass-through up here. Electric jacks, so nice easy stabilization up there. They added this great big window, which is amazing from the inside. You can just see a lot out front. You got your typical motorized front jack and your 2 propane tanks. You do have solar on this one. It's I believe it's a 200-watt solar panel, and then you have your solar port where you can do a portable solar panel. The other side of the pass-through, you have your tankless water heater right here. Slide with the slim rack slide system. You have the dump station back here with your black tank flush. You have your ladder on the back. You do have a hot and cold shower back here. Satellite hookup, fresh tank fill. And then as you come around, you get back into where we can go inside. And they added these really cool, nice new steps by Lippert. Let's go take a look. Here we are inside, and it's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous what they did with the lighting and all the decor. As you come up here, you can see the great big window up front that I was talking about. Gives you a huge view, tons of windows all over this thing. Nice cabinetry, storage all over, queen bed. Little night cubby, so you can charge your phone, drink the water, whatever you need. You got under the bed storage as well, big under the bed storage. In the slide right here, you do have storage above. You do have the nice Jackknife couch that lays down. These little TV tray things that are nice to have. As you come onto this side though, you're gonna see the TV's up here. It does pull out so you can see that. You have the nice solid surface countertop. It is a fully molded fiberglass countertop. Again, lots of storage, tons of cabinetry. You got your 3-burner stove. They give you the oven in this one. You still get the microwave. Yeah, like this thing is just beautiful. Like I said, fully one molded piece. They even put in the pull-out garbage cans already there for you. And then in the top here, you have your nice pull-out little silverware drawer. Over here, you do have the nice 12-volt fridge. And then they also have the nice drawers right here. Make it really nice for storing stuff, all your food and whatever else you want to put in there. As you go into the bathroom, it's a really nice, well put together bathroom. You got the glass doors that slide open, pretty big size. I'm 6 foot. I got plenty of room in here. Really nice sink, like I said, fully molded sink, just like in the kitchen. You got the porcelain toilet, so you can use all the household appliances. Tons of storage for your linens. Just a gorgeous trailer.